Hey everyone, if you've ever been stuck with a dead car battery on the side of the road, you know how stressful and frustrating it can be. Having a reliable car battery charger is key to making sure you're never stranded. In today's video, we're going to review the 5 best car battery chargers for roadside emergencies that will help you get back on the road with confidence. These chargers are perfect for keeping your battery at full charge or reviving a dead one. Let's dive into the features of each. Product 1, NOCO GENIUS1 1i6V12V Smart Battery Charger. First up, we have the NOCO GENIUS1. This is one of the best options for smaller vehicles like motorcycles, scooters, and even boats. It's ultra compact, yet packs a lot of power, making it ideal for roadside emergencies. The Genius 1 charges both 6V and 12V lead acid and lithium-ion batteries. It's equipped with force mode, so it can charge batteries down to as low as 1 volt, perfect if your battery is completely drained. Plus, it's designed with temperature compensation, so it adjusts the charge to prevent overcharging in hot weather and undercharging in the cold. Whether you're dealing with a flooded battery or lithium-ion, the NOCO Genius 1 has you covered, and it's also great for maintenance charging. It's compact, safe, and can stay connected indefinitely without worrying about overcharging. Product 2, NOCO Genius 10 or 6V12V Smart Battery Charger. Next up is the NOCO Genius 10. If you need a more powerful option that's still safe and easy to use, this is your go-to. It's perfect for larger vehicles like trucks, RVs, and even boats. With 10 amps of power, the Genius 10 can charge both 6V and 12V batteries at lightning speed, while the thermal sensor adjusts charging depending on the temperature. This model also includes force mode, allowing you to charge dead batteries that are as low as 1 volt, a huge advantage for those hard-to-reach emergencies. Whether you need to charge a neglected deep cycle battery or maintain a boat battery over winter, the Genius 10 does it all, restoring your battery's health with precision pulse charging. Product 3, NOCO GENIUS5 5A6V12V Smart Battery Charger. If you're looking for something in between the Genius 1 and Genius 10, the NOCO Genius 5 is a great choice. It delivers 5 amps of power and is perfect for mid-sized cars, motorcycles, and lawnmowers. Just like the others, it can charge 6V and 12V lead acid and lithium-ion batteries, and the Genius 5 has that same precision temperature control to prevent overcharging. It also restores battery health with pulse charging, which is ideal if you're dealing with a battery that's been neglected or is starting to show signs of aging. Lightweight and easy to use, the Genius 5 is perfect for those looking for a versatile, high-performance charger at a more affordable price. Product 4, YONHAN 10 AM Smart Car Battery Charger. Moving on to something a bit different, we have the YONHAN 10 amp Smart Battery Charger. This model is unique because it offers both 12V and 24V charging, which makes it suitable for larger vehicles like trucks and RVs. What makes this charger stand out is its winter and summer modes, allowing you to adjust charging based on temperature. That means whether it's freezing cold or scorching hot, you can keep your battery at optimal performance. It also features a backlit LCD screen that shows you the current voltage, temperature, and charging status, so you always know what's going on with your battery. Plus, with its advanced repair mode, you can breathe new life into older, neglected batteries. Product 5, Battery Tender Junior 12V 750 mAh charger. Last but certainly not least is the Battery Tender Junior. This is a super compact option for your motorcycle, ATV, or other smaller power sport vehicles. It's not just any trickle charger. The Battery Tender Junior is smarter than that. It offers a 4-step charging process that includes initialization, bulk charge, absorption, and float mode, ensuring a safe, complete charge every time. The Battery Tender Junior is also spark-proof and includes reverse hookup detection, so you don't need to worry about making mistakes during setup. It's a perfect, affordable choice for maintaining your battery safely and effectively. So there you have it, folks. The 5 best car battery chargers for roadside emergencies, all designed to keep your car, motorcycle, RV, or boat ready for anything. Whether you need something compact, powerful, or packed with features, there's a charger for every need. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details on each product and grab one of these chargers today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and let us know which charger you'd choose for your next emergency. Stay safe and keep those batteries charged.